We are moving to example 3.8. The question is, solve 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y minus 1 by 3z is equal to 1 by 4. This is the first equation. Second equation is 1 by x equal to 1 by 3y. Now the last equation is 1 by x minus 1 by 5y plus 4 by z equal to 2 into 2 by 15. This is a mixed fraction. See, this sum is entirely different because the previous sum and all x, y, z containing the variables in the numerator. But here x, y, z in the denominator. So how to solve this one? If the variables x, y, z in the denominator, then we have to take 1 by x as a, 1 by y as b, 1 by z as c. So before that we have to write the given equation, call it equation number 1, second one as 2, third one as 3 as it is, because denominator x, y, z. So I want to make it to the numerator by introducing a new variable, a as 1 by x, b as 1 by y, c as 1 by z. The given equation can be written as, how will you written this one? By using ABC. See, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Clear? This is 1 by 2 into 1 by x. So this 1 by x can be written as numerator a. So you will get a by 2. Okay? Plus, this is once again 1 by 4 into 1 by y. That 1 by y can be written it as b. So b by 4. Minus 1 by 3 into 1 by z. That 1 by z is c. So you will get c by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Once again, look at this. See, you are having 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x can be written 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 1 by x is a I am taking. A means that is a into 1 is a by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2x means, what is 1 by 2 into x? Look at this. 1 by 2 into 1 by x. That 1 by x is a. So 1 into a is a by 2. So 1 by 2x means simply I will call 1 by 2 into 1 by x. So that 1 by x is a. So a by 2. Similarly, if you have 1 by 4 into y. So 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by y. 1 by y is b. So b by 4. Similarly, minus 1 by 3z. So minus 1 by 3 into z is nothing but c. So minus c by 3. Clear? So can you try now? Yes. Look at this. This is a by 2 plus b by 4 minus c by 3 equal to 1 by 4. This is, can you try? A equal to, this is b by 3. What is this? A minus b by 5 plus, this is 4 by z. It is 4 into 1 by z. So 4 into 1 by z means 4c. Clear? Equal to 2 into 2 by 15. So how will you find this mixed fraction into improper? 2 into 15, multiply it. 2 into 15 is 30. 30 plus 2 becomes 32. So the answer is 32 by 15. Okay. So see the next page where I written only that. So now look at the equation. Your equation is, your first equation is a by 2. Clear? If you want, I will write once again. Look at this. Given equation is, see, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y minus 1 by 3z is equal to 1 by 4. What is this? This is 2. Okay. 1 by 2 into 1 by x. That 1 by x is a, so a by 2. Okay. Plus 1 by 4 into 1 by y. 1 by y is b, b by 4. Minus 1 by z is c, so c by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Clear? That is the first equation. Clear? This is once again, that is the first equation I have written here. Look at the denominators. I told already, if you have a denominator as some variables, we want to make it, we want to cancel all these denominators. Like 2, 4, 3, 4. 2, 4, 3, 4, the LCM is 12, well known. Because 12 also divisible by 2, 4 and 3, everything is divisible by 12. So I am taking 12, multiplying by 12. So each term multiply by 12, a by 2 into 12. A into 12, you will get 6, 6a. Plus b by 4 into 12. So 4 into 12 get cancelled, 3b. Minus c by 3 into 12. So 3 and 12 get cancelled, you will get 4c. 1 by 4 into 12, you will get 3. Call it equation number 4. Now, equation number 2 implies, this is from equation 1. Equation number 2 implies, what is your equation number 2? Look at this side. Equation number 2 is, okay, 1 by x equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 3y. Now tell me in terms of AB, this is A equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by y. 1 by y is b, so b by 3. A equal to b by 3. Clear? A equal to b by 3. Bring it 3 to this side, you will get 3a equal to b. Call it equation number 5. Now equation number 3 implies, can I try equation number 3? In terms of AB, this is a minus, this is b by 5 plus, this is 4 into 1 by z is c. So 4c equal to 2 into 2 by 15. Okay. So 2 into 15 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 by 15. So here also 5, here 15. So I am going to multiplying by 15. Each term multiply by 15, you will get 15a minus b by 5 into 15 is 5 and 15 get cancelled, you will get 3b plus 15 into 4 is 60c, okay, equal to 32 by 15 into 15. 15 get cancelled, you will get 32. Call it equation number 6. Now we are going to solving equation 4, 5, 6 to find the value of ABC. So for that one, I am going to substituting 3a value as b in equation number 4. See, in equation number 4, we are getting 3b value. Am I right? 3b value. So I can substitute b value here, or I can substitute, here is 6a, I can substitute 3a here. So what I am doing, I am substituting here 3a. This 6a can be written it as, you see, 2 into 3a. Equation number 4 implies 2 into 3a plus 3b minus 4c equal to 3, which implies this 3a can be written it as b. So 2 into b plus 3b minus 4c equal to 3. 2b plus 3b is 5b minus 4c equal to 3. Call it equation number 7. Now equation number 6 implies, I can write here as 15a as 5 into 3a minus 3b, okay, plus 60c equal to 32. So this is 5 into 3a is b minus 3b plus 60 into c equal to 32, which implies 5b minus 3b becomes 2b plus 60c equal to 32. So 2b plus 60c equal to 32. Everything is divisible by 2. I am dividing by 2. You will get b plus 30c equal to 16. Call it equation number 8. Now I am going to start with equation number 7 and 8. Solving equation 7 and 8. Because equation number 7 and 8 containing the variables B and C. If you solve, you can evaluate B and C. So equation number 7, I am writing as it is 5B minus 4C equal to 3. But in equation number 8, B is there. If you multiply by 5, you will get 5B. So 8 into 5 implies 5B plus 5 into 30 is 150C equal to 16 into 5 is 80. Subtract. 5B minus 5B get cancelled. Here minus 4C, here is plus, it will become minus 150C. Here is minus, put minus sign. 4 and 150 becomes 154C. 3 minus 80. Minus, greater number sign is minus. 80 and 3 subtraction gives 77. Or C equal to minus 77 by minus 154. Minus get cancelled. 77 and 154 becomes 1 by 2. Now substitute, okay, C equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 7. We get, what is your equation number 7? Look at this. 5B minus 4C equal to 3. So 5B minus 4 into C. C value is 1 by 2. Here only I am substituting 1 by 2. That is equal to 3. Okay. Look at this. 5B minus 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 3. These two get cancelled. You will get 2. 5B minus 2 equal to 3. Or 5B equal to, make it minus 2 this side, plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Or B equal to 5 by 5. The answer is 1. So substitute B equal to 1. C equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 4. Where is our equation number 4? Equation number 4 is 6A plus 3 into B value is 1, substitute, minus 4 into C value is 1 by 2 equal to 3. Okay. So you will get 6A, 3 into 1 is 3, minus these two get cancelled, you will get 2, minus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to 3. And this plus 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Upper 6A minus 2 becomes that side plus 2. Or A equal to 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. So we got A, B and C. So this value of A, B, C we want to change in terms of X, Y, Z, because the question is given in terms of X, Y, Z. Now A equal to 1 by 3, which implies A is 1 by X. 1 by X equal to 1 by 3, which implies taking reciprocal, 1 by X becomes X, equal to 1 by 3 becomes 3. B equal to 1, which implies B value is 1 by Y equal to 1. Taking reciprocal, 1 by Y becomes Y equal to 1. C equal to 1 by 2 implies C value is 1 by Z equal to 1 by 2. Taking reciprocal, you will get Z is equal to 1 by 2 becomes 2. Hence, the solution is X equal to 3, Y equal to 1, Z equal to 2. That's all.